Tired of feeling lost in the world of finance? Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers a straightforward path to achieving your money goals, and in this video, we'll show you exactly how to use it. First, let's explore Marcus's high-yield savings accounts. Navigate to the Savings Accounts tab on their website, and you'll see the current AP clearly displayed. Click Open an Account, and follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your social security number and funding source. You can easily link your existing bank accounts for seamless transfers, and remember, the higher the AP, the faster your savings grow. Next, let's talk about personal loans. If you need to consolidate debt or finance a large purchase, Marcus offers fixed-rate loans with no hidden fees. Click on the Personal Loans section and use their loan calculator to estimate your monthly payments based on the loan amount and term you select. Input the required information, such as your desired loan amount and the purpose of the loan, to check your eligibility and view potential interest rates. Now, for those looking to invest, Marcus Invest provides automated investment portfolios. Head over to the Invest section, and you'll find different portfolio options tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Marcus will ask you a series of questions to determine your risk profile and recommend a suitable portfolio allocation. You can start with a low minimum investment and watch your money grow over time. To manage your accounts on the go, download the Marcus mobile app. You can easily track your savings, loan payments, and investment performance, all from the convenience of your smartphone. The app also provides helpful tools and resources to improve your financial literacy. And that's it. By understanding these features, you can leverage Marcus by Goldman Sachs to achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building a secure future. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks.